Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are baking sugar cookies, which is grandma's classic sugar cookies, and these are sugar spread cookies, which means its ingredients for the sugar cookies are 1 cup of butter, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of white granulated sugar, 1 room temperature egg, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, a 1/4 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. Let's get started. Cut the tips of the sachet containing the butter and then squeeze it into the bowl. Now add into it a spatula and then cream it for at least 5 minutes until the butter is very soft and fluffy. Add in half of the sugar and then mix with the butter until it's light and fluffy. Add in the second batch of the sugar and then continue the mixing. I switched to the wooden spatula because the rubber spatula was very difficult to mix at a point and the arm work was very difficult as well. So to get the sugar melted into the butter as fast as possible, I switched to the wooden spatula. Now add in the egg and then continue mixing. Add in the vanilla essence and then mix with the spatula. Set that aside and then into another mixing bowl, sift the flour, the baking soda, the baking powder and the salt. Mix with a whisk or a spoon and then transfer it into the bowl containing the wet ingredients. Now mix with the spatula and ensure that the butter, sugar and all the others are mixed well until the dough is something that you can roll. Now cover it up and let it sit in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. This is purposely to stiffen the dough so that when it's rolled, it's not sticky in your palms. After 30 to 40 minutes of chilling, remove it from the fridge and then lay the sheet that will be used in the baking with some parchment paper. Now use the ice cream scooper to scoop the butter or the dough-like butter into your hands. Roll it into a ball with your palms and then place into a bowl of sugar. Roll it over until the sugar coats all the surface of the dough. Do so for all the others and then line it onto the baking sheet with the parchment paper on it. be making a chocolate version of the cookies, so add in 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder gradually, 1 tablespoon at a time, and then mix with the spatula until the cocoa powder is infused with the dough-like batter. With the same process, use the ice cream scooper to scoop the dough and then roll it into a ball shape. Then roll it into the bowl of sugar and lay it onto the parchment paper covered baking sheet. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This year, I'll be very glad if you could try any of our recipes and then give feedback on it in the comment section. Also, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your post and notification icon, and then share my videos with your friends and family. Let's all join hands and make this channel grow. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.